Hello guys, and this is Sarabech and welcome back to my new video about how to install a crack version of Windows 10. So I have installed this new version of Windows 10 recently, and but I saw a problem that it is not activated. So yeah, so I'm gonna activate it today using a crack. So for the first step to activate is just disconnect your internet. So at present I'm not connected to any internet, so if you're connected to any internet, just disconnect it. And then the second step is to disable your and product protection, that is antivirus. So disable product protection here. So I'm already disabled it here. I'm already disabled the product protection of my antivirus. So then just open the software, that is activator. So this is an zip file, and you want to extract it to view this type of this to view this format. So and then I have provided the link to download this application in my description box, so you can check that out. Open it, and you can see a kmsauto.exe here. Just open it, click yes, and you can see this layout. So don't be excited. First of all, you want to go to install gvlk and just click on the Windows key. So wait for some time, it is performing. We got the professional edition key and the enterprise edition key and the education key. Okay, so almost 50% of activation is over. You should go to this activate Windows. Here you can see it. Just click on that. Activating, give it some time. So I'm activating Windows 10 education. Yeah, it's completed. So guys, our activation is successfully completed, and if you have no worries, you can check it out. Go to activation, and you can see the Windows is activated using organization activity service. So that's it guys, and this is how to install and crack version of Windows 10. And thank you for a great support to get me to this or not 100 subscribers. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like it and share it to your friends who install their new version of Windows.